CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use Microsoft Windows operating system features and tools. Device Manager. Device Manager is a Microsoft Windows utility that is used to view and manage hardware devices installed on a computer. A device refers to any hardware component connected to the system, such as a keyboard, network adapter, display adapter, or storage controller. In Device Manager, these devices are organized into categories, allowing technicians to easily locate and manage specific hardware components. To better understand how Device Manager is used, it's important to know what actions can be performed on devices. Device Manager allows you to install, update, roll back, enable, disable, and uninstall device drivers. Drivers are software components that allow the operating system to communicate with hardware. If a device is not functioning properly, updating or reinstalling its driver can often resolve the issue. Each device is also assigned a status that helps identify whether it is working correctly. A device with no icon is functioning normally with no issues. A yellow triangle with an exclamation mark indicates a problem, such as a missing, corrupted, or incompatible driver. A black, downward-facing arrow shows that the device is disabled and not currently in use. An unknown device, often displayed with a question mark or generic icon, means Windows cannot identify the device, usually due to missing drivers. Viewing the device properties can also provide additional details, including error codes that can be used for troubleshooting. Now that you understand how Device Manager is used, let's look at how to access it. To open Device Manager using the Windows Run dialog box, press the Windows key plus the letter R. Once the Run dialog box opens, type devmgmt.msc and click OK. This command launches Device Manager, where you can view and manage hardware devices. Once Device Manager is open, the next step is knowing where to look. Focus on the device categories and expand them to locate specific hardware components. Right-clicking a device provides access to options such as updating drivers, disabling devices, or viewing properties. This is especially useful when troubleshooting hardware issues or installing new devices. Finally, it's important to understand why this tool matters in an IT environment. Device Manager allows technicians to manage hardware and ensure that all devices are functioning correctly. It is commonly used to resolve driver issues, identify hardware conflicts, and verify proper device operation. For the exam, remember that Device Manager is the primary tool used to manage hardware devices and drivers, making it essential for troubleshooting hardware-related issues. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.